Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and we're back again with another tutorial video. So for this video, I'll be teaching you on how to make a longer reel on your Instagram. But first, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. So to start, make sure that your Instagram account is updated. So now let's go to my Instagram account and then let's click on the plus sign at the bottom, and then here click on the length option, and then here you'll see that there is a 30 seconds time and 60 seconds time, and the longest time would be 90 seconds. So as of now, you can upload up to 90 seconds time video on your reels. So that's how you make a longer reel on your Instagram account. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you all on our next video.